Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I want to do a tutorial about these new kind of stickers that I found. They're inspired by some of these shops that are making editable stickers on Goodnotes right now, and I find it a very interesting concept because you pretty much make the stickers in Goodnotes and it makes it so much easier to use and convenient. You can change the colors whenever, and so you only really need one set of stickers for all your planning. And I want to experiment some of these by myself and make Goodnote stickers using fonts. So these fonts I'm using are dingbat fonts, and they are usually used for crafting, and they come in all sorts of different sizes and symbols. And so the ones I'm looking for right now, I usually go to defont.com because they are free, and there are other ones from Creative Fabrica. You can actually sign up for one of their subscription, and you can like download unlimited types of fonts. So they also have a section for dingbats, and there are tons of different ones, so it really depends what you want to create. So if you choose a pattern ones, you can actually make washis and change color based on your theme. And there's tons of other ones that you can use as icons that you can make for yourself, and flowery patterns. There's also like cute characters that you can use for your planner. And another favorite one that I like to go to is Creative Market. They have a font section that you can go through. Right now, to look for dingbats, I go to the symbol section, and it'll show me, different types of fonts. And there's a designer dingbat one that looks cool. If I'm going to use it as functional stickers, I think using something a little bit more solid would be great to use as banners or sticky note types. So yeah, there's tons of options, and I like Creative Market and Creative Fabrica because they have commercial license. So if you actually want to sell them or something in the future, it's ready for you to use. Whereas Defont, you have to really look through to see what kind of rights you have to the fonts. So I'm just going to go back to defont.com because I'll be using these for myself, and we'll just find the dingbat session so you can see all the free ones that you can download. I'm going to download a few of these fonts to test out. Some of them look like they're really good for functional stickers, so I will go ahead and download those. And I have an extra video that shows you how to install fonts on your iPad, so I will link that below so you don't have to watch a tutorial within a tutorial. So now I'm in my Goodnotes. Another tip is that once you've installed the font, you should exit your app so that it refreshes and knows that it's been installed. Sometimes it doesn't register and it feels like your font's not working. But now I'm just testing out the new fonts with the letters, and so each letter represents a different shape, and as you can see, the resolution's pretty good on these fonts when you zoom in. And a way that you can make them as stickers is that you just create an element for each letter and add it to your element, and so now you can reuse it again and again because it's recognized as text. And you can also change colors to whichever color you want that fits your current template. So I think this is a very convenient way and smart way to make some of your stickers, because you only need one set and you don't need to organize so many different other stickers just because they're different color. And so yeah, now you have a banner to use that you can reuse again and again and change stickers to your liking. And if you want to create your own editable washi, I've figured out a way to do that, and that is to download some patterns, solid block patterns for each letter. So you can create something like this, and it kind of looks like a washi, and you can use it as a washi. You can change the color of it. It's just a string of words right now as dingbat, but you can change the color to your liking and then save it as an element to use later. And you can also find dingbats that have shapes. So here I have one that I can make into boxes. Each letter is a box, so I can use a letter for different sized box and change the color and use that for functional planning. And it's super simple to use, so it saves a lot of time instead of cropping stickers. So thanks for watching my tutorial today. I hope you learned something new. Just a disclaimer, these dingbat stickers only work if you have the same font installed on your iPad. So if you don't have them installed, it will just show up as the letters associated with that dingbat. And if anybody knows of another way of making these stickers, I would love to hear from you. Leave me a comment and let's chat. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe, click the bell button, and like my videos, and I'll see you next time.